Alex, our wedding anniversary is next week.
Yes, Jane, I remember it.
I want to celebrate it in a special way.
That is a wonderful idea.
Maybe we can arrange a small function at home.
Yes, we can invite some friends and family.
We should decorate the house nicely.
Decorations will make the celebration beautiful.
We also need flowers and candles.
Don't forget the anniversary cake.
Yes, the cake is very important.
We should go shopping tomorrow.
The market has many decoration shops.
We can buy balloons and lights there.
I also want to buy a new dress.
And I will buy a nice shirt. That sounds perfect. I am already excited.
Me too.
Our anniversary will be wonderful.
Let's make it very special.
Yes, let's celebrate our love.
Alex, are you ready to go shopping?
Yes, Jane, I am ready.
Let's go to the market now.
The market will be busy today.
That's okay.
What do we need to buy first?
We need decorations for the house.
Balloons will look nice.
Yes, colorful balloons will be great.
We should also buy some lights.
Lights will make the room bright.
I also want to buy flowers.
Roses are perfect for an anniversary.
I agree with you.
Maybe we should buy candles too.
Candles will create a romantic mood.
I love that idea.
The celebration will be amazing.
I can already imagine it.
Let's visit the decoration shop first.
Yes, it is just around the corner.
Let's go.
Welcome to my shop.
Hello. We need decorations for our anniversary.
Congratulations on your anniversary.
Thank you very much.
What kind of decorations do you want?
We want balloons and banners.
I have many beautiful banners.
Can you show them to us?
Of course.
This banner looks very nice.
It says Happy Anniversary.
Yes, it is very popular.
I like the golden color.
Let's buy this one.
Do you also need balloons?
Yes, please show us some balloons.
These red and white balloons are perfect.
They look wonderful.
We will take them.
I will pack them for you.
Thank you.
Alex, look at these flowers.
They are beautiful.
I love the red roses.
Roses are perfect for anniversaries.
The smell is wonderful.
Let's talk to the florist.
Hello, how can I help you?
We want flowers for our anniversary.
These fresh roses arrived this morning.
They look very fresh.
How much do they cost?
They are $10 for a bouquet.
That is a good price.
I want 2 bouquets.
Great choice.
Do you have flower vases?
Yes, we have many designs.
This glass vase looks elegant.
Let's buy it too.
I will pack everything carefully.
Thank you for your help.
The flowers will look lovely at home.
Alex, I want to buy a new dress.
Yes, you should look beautiful on our anniversary.
Let's go into this clothing store.
The dresses here look nice.
I like this red dress.
It suits you well.
I will try it on.
Okay, I will wait here.
How does it look?
You look amazing.
Really?
Yes, it is perfect.
Then I will buy it.
I also need a new shirt.
This blue shirt looks nice.
I like it too.
You should try it.
It fits perfectly.
Great.
Let's buy these clothes.
Our anniversary outfits are ready.
I am excited.
Alex, we must buy the anniversary cake.
Yes, the cake is very important.
Let's go to the bakery.
The cakes here always taste good.
Welcome to our bakery.
We need a cake for our anniversary.
What flavor do you like?
I like chocolate cake.
I like strawberry cake.
We have a chocolate strawberry cake.
That sounds perfect.
Can you write happy anniversary?
Of course.
Can you add some red roses on it?
Yes, I can decorate it beautifully.
How much does it cost? How much does it cost?
It costs $20.
That is fine.
The cake will be ready in an hour.
Great.
We will come back soon.
Thank you.
Alex, let's start decorating the house.
Yes, I will hang the balloons.
I will put the banner on the wall.
The banner looks beautiful.
The balloons are colorful.
I will also hang the lights.
Lights will make the room bright.
Please give me the tape.
Here it is.
Thank you.
I will arrange the flowers now.
The roses smell wonderful.
I will place the candles on the table.
The table looks perfect.
Everything looks lovely.
Our house is ready for the celebration.
I am very happy.
Me too.
Our friends will like it.
Yes, they will enjoy the party.
The anniversary will be memorable.
Absolutely.
Alex, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Jane.
Today is a special day.
Yes, it is our wedding anniversary.
Thank you for planning everything.
We planned it together.
The decorations look beautiful.
The flowers are lovely.
The candles create a romantic mood.
I love this moment.
Our friends are arriving soon.
The cake looks delicious.
Let's take some pictures first.
Good idea.
Now let's cut the cake.
Everyone is watching us.
I feel very happy.
Me too.
Thank you for being such a wonderful husband.
Thank you for being a wonderful wife.
Let's celebrate our love.
Cheers to many more years together.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.